What if you could send WhatsApp messages to hundreds of people at once? No copy paste, no saving numbers, it's just completely free. Hello everyone, welcome back to GetAssist, and in today's video I'll show you how to send bulk of WhatsApp messages for free. So without wasting a minute, let's get started.
First open Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. Now search for WA Bulk Message Sender. Now open it and click on Add to Chrome and add extension. Now it will automatically prompt you to log into WhatsApp web by scanning the QR code with your phone. Now you need to be logged in for the extension to work. After logging in, just click the extension icon in your toolbar. I have pinned the extension to toolbar so it is always accessible. A pop-up will appear on your screen. This is where everything happens. Now add your recipient here. You can type number one by one, separated by a comma, or upload an Excel file if you have a long contact list. The extension gives you a ready-made template for that. Now type your message in the yellow box. You can also attach images, videos or documents. All are supported. Before you send the message, check the sending interval setting. Keep it at least 6 to 10 seconds between messages.
This is important because it stops WhatsApp from flagging your account as spam.
Now hit the send button and your messages will be delivered automatically, one by one without any manual work. And if any message fails in the process, just hit the retry button.
One last thing before you go. This tool is powerful. Do not abuse it. Stay within the daily limits. Set your intervals properly because a banned WhatsApp account is not worth it. Use it smartly and it will save you several hours every single week. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.